Hi everybody, this is
Anushka Sharma
and
Katrina Kaif.
And I'm Shah Rukh Khan and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
We've taken some questions from your fans on various social networking sites and Bollywood Hungama, so if you can just maybe briefly answer them, that would be interesting. This is Nitesh Verma. What is your favorite song in the movie? This is for Shah Rukh.
I like Sans because I think one, it's a little different. The orchestration. Okay. What is it?
I speak very fast, I don't remember.
The music arrangement is very different. But apart from that, I think it's very sensual. I've done a lot of romantic songs and, which are beautiful. But I think the song has a strange sensuality, laid-back sensuality related to it. I like that. And also the way it is picturized, a part of it, if you see, it's on the rooftops, it's in gullies and alleyways, and it actually tells you that little time that we have in today's world, we try to snatch away those moments and make the most of them. And when you do that, it feels like Saans mein teri saans mili to mujhe saans aayi. Like just that moment, thank God I'd come to meet you for 2 seconds, for 5 seconds, 10 seconds. I think it's, how do you say the desperation of wanting to meet your lover in those little snatches of time, I find it very sexy.
This is Nadia Guzani, and the question is for Katrina. One word to describe yourself.
Myself?
Yeah. Red lips.
Scarlet.
Scarlet.
You might want to come back to me and searching for a word. Just imagine I'm also thinking and sitting in a house and thinking, how would I describe myself in one word? Can Shah Rukh give a word?
Fantastic. I think she's, I don't want to say gentle because I've said that often enough.
In fact, you had one adjective for Katrina the other day on the press conference, and she had the complaint that you have 25 for Anushka.
It's okay, I've accepted it now.
Yeah, but what an adjective.
What an adjective. Yeah.
Gentle. But I think she's extremely elegant. And is elegant a good word? No? I think she's very beautiful. Yeah. She's extremely beautiful.
When you're having two good-looking actresses around yourself, is it life is tough in a film and you're promoting and all? Life is tough, in fact. Because in terms of compliments and all, aapne ek ko agar aapne compliment kiya, then the other one, you have to balance it out and all somehow.
Seriously, no. I mean, they're both beautiful. I think they're extremely beautiful girls, individually and collectively. And also what happens is sometimes girls, when they're getting ready for the shot, they take a little long. So if she's getting ready, then I kind of have an alternate, and when she's getting ready, then so it's kind of easy while working. But jokes apart, I think they're very beautiful. The good quality about them, having worked with them together, is the fact that they're so chilled out. हम ऐसी कहानियाँ सुनते रहते हैं, actors, when they're working co-actors and actresses, they have issues. It was really nice. It was like one big happy family, to say the least, or at least one small little family. It was nice to work with them. And they're extremely nice. Extremely. I can't say anything more.
Which of your role that you've played so far has been the hardest so far? This is for Anushka.
This one actually is physically quite challenging for me. I've burnt myself once. My ribs were hurting for a month.
After this one?
Yeah, that river crossing, that thing that I'd done, it was very hard.
She's also burnt, so it's been both of they've done a lot of action in the film.
And then this is the first time I did action in a movie, so that was fun actually. But yeah, I mean, physically this was quite challenging because my character is like really
Also when we were shooting Ladakh, she had a lot of active parts to do there.
And you don't have enough oxygen, so...
This is Nadia for Shah Rukh. Are you coming to France on 16 November?
The date's been fixed.
Is there a date? If you give me a telephone number and...
I can answer that question. No, he's not. I can tell you where he'll be on 16th.
Nadia, she also has one more thing to say, which is interesting. We'll never be able to thank you enough. I've had the incredible chance to meet you when you were in Holland and hope to meet you again when you will be in Paris. Apparently, she's met you in Holland, in fact.
Okay, please. Lots of love to you, Nadia. And,
Are you going to Paris on 16th November?
No, I don't know. It's just between Nadia and me. Will you just...
Oh, sorry.
So Nadia, I'll be seeing you 16th on Champs-Élysées. in the restaurant that we met last time. Yeah. Okay. No, I'm not in Paris.
I just reacted to the kind of just crazy fan following that you have on Twitter and all over the world, in fact. We've got questions from places like Peru and all across.
Like I say, all around the world, the women know my name. They call me Sexomatic. But I'm so cheap and cheesy.
That's good.
It's a song. It's a very famous song.
Is it?
All around the world, the women know my name. They call me Sexomatic. Sexomatic.
I think we should go home and hear it.
But there's a little it's sensitive also. Sensomatic, sensomatic, sexo.
It's emotional. So it's not just
I think I'll change my iPod with you guys. The music is but yeah, it's very humbling.
I put so much music in your iPod, and after that you're playing this music.
No, I find it very strange. Not strange in terms of weird. In terms of, I've never thought of myself as anyone special, and this is the most humble I'll ever be in this program. So take it seriously. I never thought I'm anything special to do what I'm doing. I genuinely, I'm telling you, I just get up, do my work, and I'm easy going about it. And things have just happened. I think I've had some wonderful colleagues to work with, and directors and producers, right time, right place, right movies, right support, right kind of media. I think it just has worked for me. And I think some of the filmmakers have made films which have transcended boundaries, besides the fact that they're in Hindi language. So in Peru, in Suriname, in France, Germany, I have no idea how it is.
Morocco, there's too many. There's something about Shah Rukh Khan when it comes to romance, you know. People like seeing you playing that guitar and जो आपके moves आपके जो हैं जिस तरीके से आप हाथ वां जिस तरीके से आप करते हैं, you know the way you walk and you know the entire even smile and the dimples and the entire works. These are like girls are saying.
Sometimes dodge you.
I've never thought of it like this really, and I get quite embarrassed of thinking of myself like that. I'm. You know, I've done 70 films. I'd like to believe I play characters, and it's not just the lover boy. Right. I'm trying to do Samar Anand in this film where, you know, he's got a journey and has got extensions of personality and has some kind of characterization and quirks and mannerisms maybe. And, you know, try and develop this whole thing around the lines that he's going to say in the situation and circumstances that a character finds himself. All that. Yeah, but then I think I have to accept it after 21 years that... this is what I am. I'm just a romantic lover boy.
आपने characters की आपने बात करी, what you did with Chak De India. But I personally love that film, and there have been talks that maybe you're doing a film on Dhyan Chand's life. Anything happening?
I also read somewhere, but no. I think I just met the writer some couple of years back, and she mentioned it. She's a friend's sister, so I just heard, but nobody's approached me for the film now.
कि अगर ये 70 मिनट इस टीम का हर प्लेयर अपनी जिंदगी की सबसे बढ़िया हॉकी खेल गया तो ये 70 मिनट खुदा भी तुमसे वापस नहीं मांग सकता.
Any chances of working with Shemit Amin once again?
I don't know where he is now, yeah. He should be, I met him the other day. I would love to. He's such a wonderful guy, and I've known him for years, and I think he made one of the finest films of my career.
Are you traveling to other parts of the world for just promoting this film? Are you having any premieres apart from the one in Mumbai?
No, the premiere is only here on 12th. Warn her.
It's gone.
This girl's always attacking. Yeah, 12.
Are you traveling to any other part of the world?
I think we're promoting it in a few cities here. Jalandhar we'd like to, especially because it's Mr. Yash Chopra's, it's his place of birth. That's where he started his life from. So we'd like to go there as a tribute and just to kind of send the film off there, and some other cities. But no, I think, you know, because if you travel, then you can't have premieres in Mumbai. That's a strange timing, yeah.
But what are you doing for your fans overseas? And what sort of release are you having internationally?
I'm sure it's more than 600-700 prints, as it should be. Yash Raj film is always like that. If it's a love story, even more so. So I don't know the technicalities. Would you know? But there would be at least 500 to 600 prints, I think. Yeah?
I don't.
Yeah, okay.